How to select rows in a data frame between two values in Python Pandas. I am trying to modify a DataFrame DF to only contain rows for which the values in the column closing underscore price are between 99 and 101 and trying to do this with the code below. However, I get the error. Value error, the truth value of a series is ambiguous. Use a.empty, a.bool, a.item, a.any or a.all. And I am wondering if there is a way to do this without using loops.
You should use to group your Boolean vector to remove ambiguity.
Consider also series between.
There is a nicer alternative, use query method. Update, answering the comment. I like the syntax here but fell down when trying to combine with expression, df.query mean plus 2st, less than equals closing underscore price less than equals mean plus 2st.
Or